Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create cutout transitions for your video edits in CapCut. So just add the clips that you want to edit and then click on the second clip, and in here find the freeze option. So you're gonna freeze the beginning scene of the second clip. Okay, this is the freeze frame. Trim it to 0.5 seconds and make it as overlay. So click on the overlay button. Then put the freeze frame under the end of the first clip. Okay, now click on the overlay and go to cutout and remove the background. Okay, click on the check icon. Then you can just add a keyframe at the start and put the overlay all the way down. Put it down and then go to the end of the freeze frame, add another keyframe and put the cutout here all the way up. Okay, now go in between the keyframe and click on grabs. Select the ease out one. Click on the check icon and you are done. If you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Thank you.